Carelessly power off the genuine phone before replacing screen. Unscrew the bottom screws. Heat up front glass with hot air gun. Lay suction cup and insert plastic pick. Separate screen from iPhone. Open the screen from left to right. Release the main bullshit plate. Disconnect all flex connectors and take screen off. Unscrew the screws of the ear speaker. Heat up and remove ear speaker and sensor flex. Remove 9 screws around the backlight plate. Heat up and separate LCD and detector flex from back plate. Heat up and take the back plate off. Take out a new screen to do true-tone recovery. Connect the broken genuine screen to JCV1S programmer. Press left button to read and backup data. Take it off and then connect the new screen to JCV1S. Press right button to write data into new screen. True-tone recovery finish. Remove backlight film. Place backplate on new screen. Remove the sticker on flex. Install screws around the backlight plate. Install ear speaker and sensor flex. Remove residual waterproof adhesive. Lay new waterproof adhesive. Press around the adhesive and stick to wheel. Remove the film or waterproof adhesive away. Connect the screen to the pre-installation test. and sensitive touch. No dust and spot. Two-tone function supported. Install the member shield plate back. Install new screen into phone wheel. Install button screws. Test the auto brightness after installation. Reset the Face ID. Face ID works perfectly.